Hey everyone, it's Tim here from Web Hosting Canada. Today, we're going to take a look at how we can use Git Version Control in cPanel. For the uninitiated, Git is a type of version control system used by web developers that makes it easier to track changes to files. For example, when your website files are edited, Git can help you to determine exactly what changed, who made the change, and why. This is very useful when you're working as part of a team on a web development project. And if you're a developer who uses Git, you might be surprised to learn that repositories can be created and managed right within cPanel. This video will walk you through the process. But before we begin, just note that this procedure applies to the following plans. So that's our Web Hosting Pro or Enterprise plan, our reseller hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and our cloud and dedicated server plans, which are running cPanel. And to perform the steps in this video, you should first check that shell access is enabled and registered for your cPanel account. If you're unsure of how to do this, I've included a link in the video's description. So let's take a look at the process. To begin, log into your cPanel, select Git Version Control. It's located under the Files category of cPanel. To create a repository, click on the Create button. If you have an existing repository that you'd like to clone, you can leave Clone a Repository toggled to On, and then add your desired repository path in the Clone URL field. However, in this demo, we're going to be working with a completely new repository, so just make sure Clone a Repository is toggled to Off. And we can enter our repository path in this field. For example, repositories/myrepo, and we can give our repository a name, for example, my repository, and this is what will appear in cPanel. Now you can click the Create button and your repository will be created. You'll then be redirected to a screen containing several useful commands that are really the next steps for web developers. So they'll assist you in either connecting your repository to an existing project or using your repository to start a new project. So now you'll find that your repository will be listed in cPanel and it will be under the Files Git Version Control area. So to check this out, just go to Return to Repository List and you'll see it listed here. At any time, it's accessible via Files and Git Version Control here in cPanel. So to come in and manage your repository at any time, simply click on the Manage button just over here. And from here, you can see what configuration options you have. So you can set the repository path and name. You can see your Git branch information, copy your clone repository URL, as well as edit your pull and deploy settings via the tab here once you started work on the project. So if you have any questions about this process, please feel free to leave us a comment. We're always happy to help out. And if you want to learn more about working with Git in cPanel, check out our help article, which is linked in the description below. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back again soon with more useful tips and tricks to get you going on the web.